States, the Golden State of California, and the Los Angeles International Airport. The local time is 6:01. It is Thursday, May 25th.
Thursday, not Friday.
Please stay comfortably seated until the seatbelt sign is off. You may continue to use and charge your phones and tablets. If you're sitting in an exit row, please don't plug your devices into the outlets. Don't forget to check your seat back pocket and area around your seat. Make sure you have all of your belongings and be careful when opening overhead compartments. Once the fasten seatbelt sign is turned off, please stand clear of the doors to allow flight attendants to complete important safety duties. Once we arrive at the gate, we'll hand you off to our airport team. They'll be more than happy to answer any questions you may have. Ladies and gentlemen, we are arriving in the Tom Bradley International Terminal. You'll clear customs and immigration formalities here at Tom Bradley International Terminal. Everyone must collect their luggage, checked luggage, and if you are continuing on United Express or Star Alliance partner flights, right before you leave the customs hall and out into the public space, there's a baggage recheck area just to the right before you leave the customs area. Be sure to give your luggage to them, and if you are carrying any duty-free items or anything with liquids, gels, or aerosols over 3.4 ounces or 100 milliliters, these would be your duty-free perfume purchases or any liquor. Make sure that those go into your checked luggage, as there is no transit lounge. You'll be clearing security a second time if you're continuing on to other United Express flights.